Good morning, candidates. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, this video is for our guidely who are giving a good service to the candidates who are appearing for bank and other interviews. And the question that has been raised is about, say, why many bank graduates and postgraduates prefer to join public sector banks. Why they prefer to join public sector banks? In fact, we have instances of, say, um, even postgraduates in engineering willing to join our public sector banks. And apart from that, say in the case of insurance company, we do have postgraduates willing to join those companies, and also we have doctors who are willing to join the postgraduate. I mean, in the insurance companies, I have not come across any doctor joining our banks, excepting I have come across some doctorates, PhD candidates joining banks. Why are they joining banks, especially public sector banks? The reason can be like this: the engineering, arts, and science graduates, they prefer to join public sector banks. Why? Due to the attractive combination of job security, good salary, career growth, and work-life balance offered by these institutions. Public sector banks provide government job environment with additional perks like pension benefits, loan facilities at low interest rates, social prestige, which appeals across these diverse educational backgrounds. The reasons why engineering graduates are joining is banking appealing because of their strong analytical problem solving and quantitative skills, which align with modern banking roles involving financial modeling, data analysis, risk management, and digital innovation. The banking sector offers engineering graduates career growth, attractive salaries, often higher than many entry-level engineering jobs, and job stability in a technology-driven ecosystem. The reasons why arts graduates are joining: arts graduates prefer public sector banks mainly for the job security, social respect, and benefits such as health insurance and pension schemes. Banks provide dual role that utilize their communication skills, critical thinking, and understanding of social context such as customer relations, administrative tasks, and policy management. The banking sector appeals as a respectable government job with growth opportunities that align with their academic background. Now, the question comes: why science graduates are coming? Science candidates are drawn to public sector banks. Again, same reason: because of this sector is increasingly technology driven, using computers, matching their comfort with the technological innovations and analytical problem solving. The interdisciplinary work environment and opportunities in areas like financial technology, cyber security, and research can make banking a rewarding field. Additionally, competitive compensation and long-term career prospects attract science graduates. And the common attractors for across all disciplines, job security and government banking, then defined career growth and promotion prospects, competitive compensation and benefits, work-life balance with fixed working hours and leave policies, opportunities to work in a technologically evolving sector, social respect, and stability associated with government jobs. This makes public sector banking and public sector insurance companies a preferred career destination for engineering, arts, and science graduates alike, each leveraging their unique skills and aspirations in this sector. Candidates, these are all the general points. But normally, what I tell the graduates, I mean, postgraduates, graduates who are appearing for bank recruitment, I mean, public sector bank recruitment directly, or when they are switching over from private sector to public sector, I tell them to cover these points. Number one, we have a defined career growth and promotion prospects. I expect my career growth to be excellent in this bank. You mentioned that bank. Then you can also say the compensation offered is also competitive, and work-life balance uh, is there, and it helps the good family life also. And above all, it is offering an opportunity for me to work along with technologically evolving sector. And here is a growing sector, both banking and insurance. It's a growing sector. Above all, there is social respect and stability associated with government jobs. And in fact, even for getting marriage, many times the uh, parents of daughters, they prefer an employee who is working in a government department or in a government owned public sector institution like banks or insurance companies. So this is what it is. So now supposing they ask you, why do you want to join public sector? Yeah, I mean, State Bank of India, you can say State Bank of India is the largest public sector bank in our country. It is offering excellent career growth and prospects. There is a mixture of work and life balance in State Bank of India. And I have a very good communication skills, which makes me more suitable for this job. I can convince the customers to open their accounts, take loans from us, and shine in this career. And above all, when I joined State Bank of India, the social respect and prestige is also increased. So for these reasons, I would like to join State Bank of India. Candidates, one important thing, see, whatever it is I have been talking and you listen to that, but when you tell them, it must be as if you are feeling for it. आप उस बात को मान लेते हैं, एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, ये सोच के अपनी बात करना है. In respect of தமிழ்நாடு, நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, உங்களுக்கு அந்த நான் சொன்ன பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் எடுத்து சொல்ல போறீங்க, அது உங்களுடைய பாயிண்ட் என்று மனதில் வைத்துக்கொண்டு அது புரியுற மாதிரி சொல்லணும், ஒப்பிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. It should not be as if you have memorized it and telling. You should tell of your own self. Okay, enjoy and practice doing it by standing before a mirror or attend mock interviews. Then you can also join with others and practice. That will be the best thing. And I can talk in say Hindi, Tamil and English. తెలుగు కొంచెం కొంచెం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. ఏం చెప్పినానంటే, స్టేట్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఎందుకు నేను ఇక్కడ వస్తున్నానంటే, స్టేట్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా మాకు బెటర్ క్యారియర్ గ్రోత్ ఉన్న జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇస్తుంది. తర్వాత మాకు ప్రమోషన్ దొరుకుతుంది. అండ్ ఇదర్ కాంపెన్సేషన్, మంచి కాంపెన్సేషన్ ఉన్నాయి. వర్క్ లైఫ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఆల్సో ప్రాపర్లీ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ సోషల్ రెస్పెక్ట్ అదే బాగా ఉంటుంది. మన స్టేట్ బ్యాంక్ లో పని చేస్తూ అందరూ మనకు రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారని మీరు చెప్పవచ్చు. అండ్ That is the most important thing. You have to say that social respect and all that is there. But one thing, candidates, be ready for a question, especially when you are going from private sector to public sector. They will say State Bank of India has got more footfalls. How will you manage? You are a person who has been working before a computer only all the day. Now you are going to come to a bank where the footfall will be very high. How will you manage? Then you have to tell, sir, हमको तो communication अच्छा आता है, I can communicate well, and I have a lot of patience, tolerance, and empathy with people. This point, of course, I have to cover under various questions that you can expect in State Bank of India. Now, I have already told you briefly in between what are the points you can say. Don't believe that these are the only points. I have been telling this for so many years. This is not the only point, but sometimes it happens in interviews when you go and tell, they ask, why is it that you are telling the very same point? All of you are telling the same point. So kindly change some words in your answers. That will be a best thing. I'm sure you must be able to do it very well and ensure success in your State Bank of India probationary officer interview. Please attend all the mock tests for GD, then group exercises, and also for this say interview, and take mock interviews. We will guide you while taking mock interview. After the interview, we will give you feedback and try to improve your performance. Thank you. Best wishes. Bye.